guys, so right now outside is a bit dark right now, and the current weather outside is very windy tonight, and the current temperature right now is I guess it's 0 degree, and as you can hear the strong wind, especially in the south. It's fucking cool right now. Can you guys hear it obviously clearly regarding on the voice, yeah, that's it. This is the current weather in Montreal right now, and right now the time is around 1 a.m. and the temperature is going to drop until -4 or -5 so starting from tomorrow morning or afternoons. Yeah, so please keep safe, guys. Yeah, so I just close the door now.